Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Franz Lang, and I'm here to teach you correct pronunciations in English as well as in many other languages. The name of this famous American financial advisor is pronounced Suze Orman. Suze Orman. The first name is pronounced with 2 syllables, sounding exactly like the name, Susie. Suze Orman. Suze Orman. Suze Orman. All right. If you enjoy learning about pronunciations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join us on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Tschüss.